Tired of outdated car stereos and messy cables? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best portable CarPlay units on Amazon that'll instantly upgrade your driving experience. From crystal clear touchscreens to wireless connectivity and smooth navigation, I'll break down what makes each model worth your attention. And yes, I'll share both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Wireless Apple CarPlay 4K Dash Cam. The 9 wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car stereo is a versatile upgrade for older vehicles. It stands out for its built-in 4K dash cam and 1080p backup camera, giving you front and rear coverage in one kit. The wireless CarPlay connection was surprisingly smooth in my testing. No extra cables needed, and the voice control integration works well for navigation and music while driving. On the downside, the suction cup mount feels a bit flimsy for rough roads, and the on-screen interface can lag slightly when switching apps. If you're looking for a low-cost, feature-packed infotainment boost, this unit offers good value. Just expect minor setup quirks and mounting limitations. Number 2. My second best pick. Wireless Portable CarPlay Screen for Car. The 10.26 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto touchscreen stereo is an impressive upgrade if your car's infotainment system is feeling outdated. The large display gives apps, navigation, and music plenty of screen real estate, and wireless CarPlay paired with Android Auto means seamless connections with your phone. Built-in 4K front dashcam and backup camera add serious value, while Bluetooth and GPS enhance everyday convenience. On the downside, the widescreen can block some dash vents or create a bulky look if not well mounted. And some users note the audio via the unit speaker is weaker than a proper head unit. If you're after a feature-rich, plug-and-go solution for phone integration and recording, this unit delivers strong value. Number 3. My third best pick. Portable Apple CarPlay Screen for Car. The 9 wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto unit hits all the right marks for an affordable infotainment upgrade. The wireless CarPlay connection worked smoothly, and the 4K dash cam paired with a 1080p backup camera was a solid bonus, especially useful for parking and recording on the go. I appreciated the Bluetooth audio and GPS navigation integration, which made daily drives easier. One downside: the mounting system felt a little wobbly, so installation may require extra adjustment to stay secure. Also, the on-screen touch response lagged slightly when switching apps. If you're looking for strong features without a full head unit swap, this unit offers great value. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Crineo Wireless Portable Car Play Screen. The 9.26 wireless portable CarPlay and Android Auto screen is a clever way to modernize older cars with sleek functionality. The wireless CarPlay connection was smooth and fast, no cables needed, and the large display made using navigation, music, and phone apps easy. Built-in Bluetooth, GPS navigation, and mirror linking added serious convenience for everyday drives. On the downside, the touch interface occasionally lagged when switching between apps, and the included mount felt less secure on bumpy roads. If you're looking for an affordable upgrade to bring your vehicle up to date with modern features, this unit delivers a lot of value. Just be ready to double-check its mount stability. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Portable wireless with Apple CarPlay. The 7 portable wireless CarPlay and Android Auto touchscreen is a noticeable upgrade for older vehicles. 2 big pros. The wireless CarPlay connection is slick and frees you from tangling cables, and the unit's Bluetooth 5.2 plus AUX plus FM transmitter options mean it plugs into nearly any existing stereo setup. On the cons side, the screen size is compact compared to full-head units, so some maps or apps feel a bit cramped, and the mount and power setup can require a little fiddling to get stable. If you want a budget-friendly way to modernize your car's tech without full dash replacement, this screen delivers strong value. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite portable CarPlay units? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.